In this video, we're looking at work center costs in Xperdyte Manufacturing Software. We'll explain what work centers are, when to use them, how to create a new work center code, and finally how to add it to a bill of materials. Manufacturing costs are made up of more than just materials. Operational overheads such as electricity, labor, machine time, and external services all contribute to the true manufacturing cost of a product. Capturing these costs during manufacturing gives you more accurate production records before the information is posted back to your accounting system. Work centers represent the different areas of operation or manufacturing processes within your factory. Work centers allow you to recover the operating cost of running processes. They are also used by the production scheduling module to plan and schedule works orders across your factory. Begin by navigating to the menu panel on the left side of the interface. Expand cost types. Expand work centers. Then select work centers. To start a new record, click the Add button on the top toolbar. Enter a short descriptive code together with a meaningful description. Keep the code simple and avoid spaces or special characters where possible. The department field is an optional setting that can be configured for grouping purposes. Enter the hourly operating cost for the work center. The scheduler sec determines the sorting order of the work center when it is viewed on the scheduling calendar. Next, choose whether the cost is variable or fixed. Variable costs increase as production increases. Electricity consumption is a good example, because producing more products generally uses more electricity. Fixed costs stay the same regardless of production quantity. For example, if an industrial oven runs for 90 minutes whether it contains 10 products or 100 products, the operating cost stays the same for that production cycle. User-defined fields represent an optional setting that can be configured for specific reporting requirements. Once your work center code has been created, open Maintain Bill of Materials and load the required bill of materials. Navigate to the Work Centers section, click Add, pick the relevant work center code, and then define the sequence. Work centers that function simultaneously can be assigned the same sequence number, whereas those that operate consecutively should have unique sequence values. Now input the necessary machine time. Please note that time entries must be formatted as decimals of an hour. You can use the F5 key to access the calculator. If you enter the actual time, it will automatically display the decimal equivalent. Then click Use. Now save the bill of materials to include the work center in future works orders. You now know what work centers are, when they should be used, how to create a new work center code, and how to add it to a bill of materials. Correctly configuring work centers helps recover manufacturing overheads and improves production scheduling. If you have any questions, please contact the Xperdyte support team at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thanks for watching.